I have a question. Is this guy an activist or just an ordinary civilian? Actually, neither. He is an ISIS member who appeared in ISIS propaganda videos before. But according to Al Jazeera and many Arabic news agencies, he is presented as a civilian victim and a doctor who was captured for no reason. Many journalists accuse Al Jazeera Arabic for promoting violence and misinformation, portraying Kurds negatively in the Arab world, and serving as a propaganda tool for Ahmad al-Shara. Al Jazeera turns a blind eye to the war crimes committed by Syrian Arab army. There are no news reports on beheading prisoners of war, taking women as slaves, or about Kobani being under siege, with water, electricity, and internet cut, and no news about 5 children who froze to death, or disrespecting dead bodies, like throwing the body of a Kurdish female fighter from a building, or cutting the kazi of another, despite the widespread outrage these acts caused. Ironically, they instead accuse the Kurdish forces of committing war crimes. What I found interesting is that Al Jazeera English, which targets a global audience, uses much less biased language. So don't be surprised if the news you hear in London is very different from what you hear in Cairo. Al Jazeera is not the only major Arabic outlet accused of this behavior. Many other Arabic media organizations are also criticized for biased, one-sided reporting. While these media outlets ignore the war crimes by the Syrian Arab army, how would they react if the same crimes were committed by Israel?